Hello dear students, in this video we'll discuss about complex numbers introduction with some real life applications where complex numbers are used. For all updates, please subscribe our channel. Let us look at some simple algebraic equations like x square plus 1 equals to 0, x square plus 4 equals to 0, etc. which have real coefficients, but we found unable to solve these equations because x square is equals to negative 1. For this, x square equals to negative 4. In real number system, there is no number exists whose square is negative, but we got negative over here. In order to find solutions of such type of equations, we have to extend our number system to a larger system called complex numbers. Now, further we'll rewritten this. X is equals to square comes this side, it becomes square root negative 1. Let us denote the square root negative 1 with I. For this equation, x is equals to square root negative 4, which is equals to square root 4 into negative 1, and we know square root 4 is 2 square root negative 1. So here we have taken square root negative 1 is I, so this can be rewritten as 2I. So therefore here I is solution for this quadratic equation. Here 2I is solution for this quadratic equation. Clear? Now let us understand more about I, which is a Greek letter called iota, which is symbol of imaginary unit. Leonhard Euler was the first to use the symbol to denote square root negative 1. Now let us define complex numbers. Complex numbers are formed by attaching imaginary numbers to real numbers using plus sign. The standard form of complex numbers is a plus ib, where a comma b are real. Complex numbers can also be represented in the form of ordered pair, that is a comma b. The complex number generally denoted by z. This is the format. Z is equals to a plus ib, where a comma b belongs to real, which means r, or z is equals to ordered pair a comma b, where a comma b belongs to r. So you can write either ways. Here you can see real number set, imaginary number set, complex number set, which means complex numbers is equals to union of real numbers plus imaginary numbers. So in other words, you can say complex numbers are superset of all other number sets. Let us see some examples of complex numbers. Z is equals to 2 plus 3i, which is equals to 2 comma 3. You can write either ways. Another example, z is equals to negative 3 plus 4i, which is equals to negative 3 comma 4. Another example, z is equals to negative 1 plus I square root 3, which is equals to negative 1 comma square root 3. Here you need to understand one thing, that when the imaginary part of complex number is a radical, which means square root number, write the I to the left in order to avoid ambiguity about whether I is under the radical. Clear? It is quite common whenever we study any topic, will arise some questions like, where do we use in the real world? The main objective is to solve the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, so which is quadratic, where d is equals to b square minus 4ac is less than 0, which means whose discriminant is less than 0, which is not possible in the system of real numbers. So the solution will exist only in complex number system. Here is another application of complex numbers, spectrum analyzer. See this beautiful display? You must have seen this kind of displays while playing music or DJs. This is spectrum analyzer. Complex numbers are used to calculate signal processing in spectrum analyzers using Fourier transforms. Aerodynamics, some other application where complex numbers are used. You can see air wings and all. Complex numbers are used in aerodynamics in compressible flows around aerofoils such as airplane wing. These days, aerodynamics are used in cars as well. Here is another application, quantum mechanics, where complex numbers are used. Here you can see beautiful picture of quantum field. The complex number field is relevant in the mathematical formulation of quantum mechanics, where complex Hilbert spaces provide the context for one such formulation that is convenient and most standard. The original foundation formulas of quantum mechanics, the Schrödinger equation and Heisenberg's matrix mechanics make use of complex numbers. Not only this, there are thousands of real-world applications where complex numbers are used. So, complex numbers plays a prominent role in physics as well as many real-world applications.